Okay, so a while ago I built this computer when Facebook got rid of their server CPUs, the Xeon E5 2670s, and so I was able to pick those up, two of them, and build a server workstation because I was interested in rendering and stuff like that. However, I'm not always rendering with this machine, so it's like I've got all this unused processing power, and I was wondering what you could use this for. So I found something and learned something about folding online. So if you go over to folding.stanford.edu, you can learn about how to be one in a million. Basically, you install this free software which will fold. You can set it to fold when your computer goes in idle, so when the screensaver comes on, or you can have it fold as you're working. And what it'll do is it will perform protein folding simulations that researchers at Stanford will be able to use. Let me just bring this up here. But I'll show you the web control. It's a little more user-friendly. I can choose what to fold here, how much of the resources I'll be using. As you notice, I'm only using right now about 10% of my CPU. So I'm going to kick it up to medium, and I'll actually do 30 out of 32. When I kick it on medium, I've got both GPU and CPU going at the same time. And you notice here, my CPU is processing up there. If I kick it down to light, my GPU will pause. It'll revert back to its save point, which is the even or the whatever number. So you can read about what project you're contributing to. You can learn about the actual protein and the person behind the thing. And you can even bring up a viewer, protein viewer, that will show you snapshots of the protein that you are researching. Here's a snapshot. I'm able to zoom in, zoom out. And in the advanced control panel, I can change to different views, like advanced ball and stick form or something like that. If I go into preferences on the advanced one, I can do advanced ball and stick, click save, and click viewer, and it should show me your typical ball and stick structure, molecular structure. It's kind of cool. Give you an idea of what kind of things you're contributing, what your computer is being used. So consider folding. It'll donate computer power to a good cause, and you'll be helping to find a cure for those diseases. So that's all.